It's time for Jungle Scrum.
We decided to run something on Agile because we're hearing more and more about it, all of the research that we're doing on the fourth industrial revolution. So we wanted to have a really practical workshop whereby our students can understand what Agile is but also put it into practice, and this workshop's been amazing.
So to be honest, I didn't have a clue what was going to happen when I came to the workshop. I have never been to a workshop like this before. I've never been to any workshops on project management or leadership, but it surpassed my expectations, to be honest. I really enjoyed it. I did things I didn't think I could do. I'm normally quite an anxious person, and I became the project manager of a group and did like a little presentation to a room of 70 students, which was really exciting.
My favourite part of the video was the characters that were introduced. It just comes back to that idea of it's a fun environment to try something that's going to help them going forward in the world of work.
The majority of workshops, and I'm talking as an MBA as well, when I was learning my MBA, I wish we'd had this on day one because it would have been so useful. I thought it was fantastically beneficial. Very different from the sorts of workshop that I've been in from a project management perspective. It was very much more like a drama workshop. When you're able to focus on a common goal in the right environment and with the right structures around you, then actually that is what freedom is in a team dynamic.
Our students were very quickly able to do a project in a normal way and then do it again in an agile way and see how quickly they were able to use that methodology, how it helped them to communicate better, how it helped them to be able to produce the end product much faster, and hopefully that will have increased their confidence in using Agile in the future.